today I'm going to do a little tutorial or demo on the camera settings on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So if I go into the settings for the camera, 3 dots at the top, you can see that I've got in JPEG and RAW, 12 megapixel, it's all in auto. I've got the grid lines on so I can get the middle of the frame. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to, if you go in there, it's on camera mode, and if you go down to pano, I'm going to do some panos, and this time I'm going to do a, let me have a look. If we go slightly to the left, I'm going to do a sphere. It's on sphere, so if I press start, I'll take a load of photographs. So that is now the pano finished, which was a sphere one. It's just processing it now. As you can see, it's just in the 70% bracket. So if we wait for that to finish, and then when you go into the play, which is just under where it's counting up the percentage on the right hand side of the screen, there you go. So if you press play there now, you'll have all your stored photographs, and that's the latest one there. Click on that 360 photo viewer. So there's your sphere. As you can see, come out of that. I'm going to change the setting now. I'm going to go into the sphere there, and you've got 180 wide angled or vertical. So I'm going to do the one of each. So the 180, press that, set it off. So that's that one finished. It's just processing it. Once it has completed, I shall go back in and try the next option. So hit on that just above the start. Try the wide angle one. So just select it, press start, off it goes. So that was the wide angle one. I'm going to go into the vertical one, see what that does. Press start. So that's just 3 shots there. If we go into the menu, just to have a look at what that looks like. Yeah, it's quite a deep vertical one, which would be good for TikTok or Instagram. So that is all 4 of the options in the pano mode.